Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. Today's vlog is a really exciting one. I am doing a lot of things. I'm going out the country and I am getting braids for the first time in my whole life. I heard that it's best to do a protein treatment, and so I'm doing the Aphogee treatment. It's the 2-step protein treatment. I'm going to figure this out, blow dry my hair, and then go get my hair braided. So what does it say? It says, I don't even know which step this is. Okay, step 1. Apply enough Aphogee treatment to saturate the hair, comb. Okay, so it says shampoo first. So first you need a shampoo and then towel dry. Okay, then put this treatment in, comb it through, leave hair uncovered. This is hard to figure out. Okay, so it says once it's in your hair, then you use a hand dryer if you don't have like a regular dryer to make it like harden. Okay, then re-wet and gently rinse through with warm water. Towel dry. And then you put the moisturizer, which is step 2. It feels like more of a conditioner. Hair and scalp, leave on for 2 minutes, then rinse. All right, I think I know. So shampoo, condition. I wish I had like a shampoo that stripped my hair. I don't have that. I have Pattern Beauty. So I'm gonna use Pattern Beauty. Then I'm going to put in step 1, use a blow dryer, and then use step 2 as basically like a conditioner, and then we will be good to go. Okay, and it's not that bad. I think it's fine. We can do this. We can do this. Prepped and ready for these braids. I think it's my first time doing this. I have no clue. Anyways, I am about to get ready to go. I'm gonna go do these braids. I'll show you guys maybe the braiding salon and the process, and then we'll see what happens. We'll see how they look. This is the length. Okay, let me put this down so you can see. It's pretty long. I don't know, guys. I hope this braider can handle this, because it's just a lot of hair, but we will see. Hey you guys, braids are all done. Do I like them? Guys, I don't know. It's cute. I don't know if it's for me, but you know, you have to kind of try things out. I don't know. Y'all tell me your thoughts, but it's cute. They say braids have to like marinate for like 2 days for you to know if you like them or not. We'll see. What do you guys think? I think I need to put on makeup and just like kind of feel it out. I think my face is too big. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna go get tacos, and I don't like these edges. Like, what the hell? No. I don't know, guys. Keep me your prayers. All right. I will talk to y'all later. I'm gonna go get tacos, and then I'm not gonna show you that. It's literally just a taco truck. Get tacos. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna pack. It's 9 p.m. so I have to pack. So there's lots that needs to be done. So let's go. The flight is at 7:30 in the morning. Boarding's at 6:30. So let me go. All right. Bye. Hi guys. We're about to take off. I wanted to talk to you earlier today, but it was a rush, and so I decided to just try to get to the airport. What happened was I was supposed to finish packing last night, but I didn't. I woke up this morning at like 5, packed, got ready, and by the time I was ready to go, it was like very close to boarding time. I live 15 minutes from the airport, so it wasn't too bad. But when I got the Uber said it was 12 minutes away. I'm like, no, that's way too long. So then I looked at Lyft, and Lyft was 2 minutes away. I was like, okay, let me get Lyft. So got to the airport, like boarding was 6:50. I got there at 6:54. But luckily I have pre-check. I have all the things, so I went through pre-check. I went through clear, and I got through just as my zone was boarding. So I have a layover in Atlanta, and then I'm on to my final destination after that. So wish me luck. I will kind of record everything and show you guys what's going on. See you guys then. Bye. Made it to the hotel. I'm waiting on my friend. She landed after me, so just have to wait a little while. But she's gonna come. We're gonna have lunch. Gonna get started on this vacation. I'm so happy. The hotel is really beautiful, but honestly, for a luxury hotel, I expected a little bit more. I go to Jamaica often, and I stay at, you know, mid-level to high-end resorts, and this is very comparable. I have yet to look at the beach, so we'll see. I'm comparing everything to Jamaica because, listen, that's where my heritage is at. So what else can I do? Anyways, yeah, come experience Turks with me. It's gonna be fun. So today we are going to Fish Fry Thursday, which is, it looks like a festival and where you can try the local cuisine. So I'm excited to do that. Other than that, we've just been laying out at the beach and also went to yoga this morning, took a walk, got coffee. It was pretty nice. So I will show you guys when we get to Fish Fry Thursday so you can experience it. See you then. Good morning. Woke up in paradise. Today we are going on a boat and gonna go snorkeling and having a great time. So come along and let's see what we get up to today. I'm drinking a smoothie, so yeah, time to get the day started. Wanted to come on here and end the vlog. It was quite the trip. Had a really good time. I'm back in Nashville, back to reality, and looking forward to the month of September. It's gonna be a big one. There will be more vlogs coming, more exciting things, so stay tuned, and I look forward to sharing the rest of my life with you. See y'all soon. Bye.